Hey folks, how are you? This is Monse Blanks with All Elite Construction, and what we're doing today is putting our double handrail in. Now we've completely stained and polyurethaned our handrail, pre-polyurethaned everything, so everything's essentially finished. We're just going to install everything, pre-drill our holes, and connect our spindles. So these are already pre-installed. They're framed up, ready to go. We just have to put our spindles in. As you can see, we've pre-drilled our holes. We're going to go ahead and cut our spindles down to size and install them. So check back with us with our updates on how we're doing our handrail installation. It's coming along really good. Alright, so we have our handrail pre-drilled, and our liquid nails on the inside to match up with our spindles right here. We've already pre-checked everything, so it's just a matter of putting it on there.